Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. I want to start this video today wishing you all a very happy Easter, and what better way to celebrate than make some easy, delicious and colorful deviled eggs. This is a fun idea to make with the kids or just to brighten your appetizer table on Easter Day. So start by bringing a pan with water into a boil. Add your eggs. I will be making 12 of them, but you can make as many as you want. Boil the eggs for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn the heat off and let it sit for 20 minutes. That is the secret for easy peeling. Now let's play with the colors. I will be making 4 colors, blue, green, red, and yellow, but you can make more or less. It's completely up to you. So I have here 4 bowls. I add 6 drops of food coloring to each one of them, and after that I add a good amount of water. Mix each color pretty good and set them aside. Back with the eggs. Remove the eggs from the hot water, shock them with cold water and start peeling them. And here they are. Now cut each egg in half the long way, separating the yolks. Divide the half egg whites between your colors, like so, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, if you just got here and like what you're seeing, don't be shy, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Mash the egg yolks pretty well together. Add salt and pepper to taste. About 1 cup of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix pretty well. And my little secret for the taste, add a little bit of white vinegar. After 5 minutes, remove the eggs from the colored water and let them dry for a couple minutes on a paper towel. Now, I want to ask you to like this video. It helps the channel a ton. Leave me a comment as to what is your favorite Easter dish, and please share this video with anyone you think will enjoy. After a couple minutes drying, move the eggs to a platter of your choice and start piping the egg yolk mix to each one. I finished them off with some dry parsley. You can also use a little bit of paprika just for a splash of color. And here they are, colorful, delicious, fun and easy to make deviled eggs. Now it's time for some fun. I hid a cute bunny somewhere in this video. Leave on the comment section down below where you think he is, and the first person to find him will get a shout out on my next video. Good hop, everyone! I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so much for your love and support and for helping me hit the 300 subscribers. If you're new here, welcome to the Cooking Clean and Everything Between family. I'm so glad you joined the fun. I wish you all a fabulous Easter. Hop spring, everyone. I will see you on the next one. Ciao.